This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 East Coast Indoor Nationals in Pomona, Maryland. We are checking out this 39 Divco. Yes, it is a rat rod. Little LS under the hood. I love the steering rig over there. Typical of your rat. Really cool. I love this truck. The patina is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's an authentic busted windshield, folks, with authentic duct tape holding it together. Like I said, this is a real rat. The bifold doors are still there. The piano hinges. Now the one thing is that they put in this seat. Oh, sorry. Didn't know the driver was there. Check out the Chevy dashboard, the Impala with the tilt. Now these originally, if I'm not mistaken, were stand-up drive. So there's the original controls way over there. What a cool rat, folks. What a cool, cool rat. This is beautiful. Again, it's a 1939 Divco milk truck. The bikes are for the Toys for Tots. Please don't get anything on this fine finish. We got to keep it really sweet.
Yeah.
Really sweet. This is just a sick build.
Thank you.
350 under the hood?
No.
What is that? What is that?
5.3 LS.
Oh my gosh, that's wonderful.
With overdrive transmission.
That is great. That is great. I like the way how you converted from stand-up drive to a regular sit-down.
Yeah.
That is good. That is
Sitting
good.
on milk cans.
Oh, well, yeah, that's the way you drove these things.
Yeah.
So this is great. What inspired you to build a Divco?
My father was a milkman for
Very
Wilton
good.
Farm Dairy.
Oh, perfect.
So when I get done, it'll say Wilton Farm Dairy on it.
Oh, I hope you're going to keep the patina.
Now I'm going to go like they were.
Oh, okay.
Because they were green and white.
Okay.
So I'm going to make her green and white.
Well, good. I'm glad I captured it now, so this way we see a true rat, because
Yes.
this thing's just beautiful.
Thank you.
Just beautiful. I
Thank you.
appreciate this. Thank you. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com in 2019 East Coast Indoor Nationals. Checking out the 1939 Divco Rat Ride. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. While you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.